Here's another restroom rating, DFW. This one is in Forney on FM 1641 close to I-20. Toilet seemed to be fairly new and was very clean. They had plenty of toilet paper in stock. Trash was empty and ready for the day. They had the 2-ply toilet paper there. And as an extra bonus, we had that Glade odor fighting spray to cover up that odor. Everything was very well kept, very clean, smelled clean, and the toilet seemed to have a strong flush as well. And so I definitely recommend stopping off at this one if you're off of I-20 at 1641 near the Forney area.